Hey there, have you ever wanted to make money on YouTube but felt held back by expensive tools, editing skills, or a lack of experience? What if I told you that AI can now handle everything: scripting, editing, voiceovers, animations, and even subtitles with just a few clicks?
Growing beards was crucial for hand-to-hand combat. Long ago, warriors would grow beards for protection. In a scientific study, 3 types of faces were simulated: clean-shaven, light stubble, and full beard. Each was hit with the force of a punch. Shockingly, the bald face broke the jaw every single time.
In this video, I will show you how to create viral faceless videos using AI. Zero budget, zero editing required. Whether you are a beginner or a content creator looking for passive income, this could be the easiest way to monetize your channel. And the best part, AI does the hard work while you sit back and profit. Stick around as we explore Mootion, an AI-powered video generator that can transform simple text or audio into engaging, monetizable videos. The link is available in the video description, and you can easily create an account using your Google account. Once you are in, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes video creation effortless. Here you have multiple options to bring your ideas to life. You can create journal videos, YouTube viral shorts, stories, and much more. Whether you are crafting a quick social media clip or a detailed storytelling video, Mootion provides the tools to make it happen. Down below, you will find a variety of templates to choose from, making it easy to get started without designing everything from scratch. On the left side of the screen, you will see essential features like the My Project button, where all your saved and ongoing creations are stored. You will also find the gallery, which houses pre-made assets, and the Asset Studio. In this video, we will discuss how you can create faceless viral shorts in just a few minutes. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to grow on YouTube, Mootion makes it easy to generate engaging, high-quality videos. Here you have 2 options to start creating your faceless viral shorts. Generate from prompt. Simply type in your idea and Mootion's AI will automatically generate a video for you. This is perfect if you want a quick and creative way to bring your concept to life without much effort. If you already have a script, images, or videos, you can upload them and let Mootion transform them into a professional looking video. Let's start with the Generate from Prompt option to see how easy it is to create a faceless viral short. First, you will need to enter your prompt. This can be anything from a story idea to a video concept. The AI will use this input to generate a script and visuals for your video. Next, you will select the output language to ensure your video reaches the right audience. You can also choose the tone of the video, whether you want it to be informative, emotional, dramatic, or fun. After that, you will pick an AI avatar to serve as the visual presenter or narrator for your video. This helps in making the content more engaging and relatable. Then it's time to set the aspect ratio. Widescreen 16:9 format for YouTube and presentations. Whether you need a vertical 9:16 format for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, a square 1:1 format for social media. Finally, you choose a visual style for your video. Mootion offers multiple options, including photorealistic for a real-world cinematic feel, picture book, perfect for storytelling with a soft, illustrated look, anime, great for an animated styles experience, 3D, ideal for a modern, dynamic video style. After all the settings, click on the Generate button, and after a while, it will generate the scenes. And then, if you want to change the scene, simply click on the Regenerate button. You can also choose how your video's title will appear. You can select from different fonts, colors, and animations to make it eye-catching and match your video's tone. You can customize how subtitles will be displayed. This is especially useful for making your content more accessible and engaging for viewers who watch without sound. You can adjust the font size and placement to fit your video's aesthetic. You can add dynamic elements to each scene. You can choose smooth transitions between scenes to keep the flow of the video engaging. Options like fade, slide, zoom, or cinematic cuts can make your video more polished and professional. You can pick an AI-generated voice that matches the mood and language of your content.
Life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Whether you need a deep voice or a friendly and casual one, Mootion provides multiple voice options to enhance narration. You can adjust how the AI avatar appears in your video. You can place it in different positions, resize it, or even have it interact with on-screen elements. Next, we have music selection. You can choose background music to set the mood of your video. Whether you need an energetic track for a viral shot, a calm melody for a storytelling video, or suspenseful music for dramatic content, Mootion offers a variety of choices. Once everything is set, it's time for the final step. Hit the generate button. In just a few moments, Mootion's AI will process all your selections and create a fully edited, ready to publish video.
Leaf people blow with the wind, unreliable and fleeting. Branch people help only when convenient, temporary friends. Root people are steadfast, offering unwavering support. Recognize leaf people and avoid relying.
Now let's try the Use My Content feature. Enter your script. Select the language. Set the aspect ratio. Pick 9:16 for shorts, 16:9 for YouTube videos, or 1:1 for social media. Choose a visual style. Options include photorealistic, picture book, anime, 3D, or line art to match your content's theme. With these settings, your video starts taking shape. Let's move to the next steps. For title, customize fonts, colors, and animations. Add smooth effects and seamless transitions. Choose a voice and position your avatar. Select the perfect soundtrack for your video. Once done, hit the generate button and let Mootion create your video in minutes.
Have you ever wondered why humans can grow beards? There's actually a scientific reason behind facial hair. Growing beards was crucial for hand-to-hand combat. Long ago, warriors would grow beards for protection. In a scientific study, 3 types of faces were simulated: clean-shaven, light stubble, and full beard. Each was hit with the force of a punch. Shockingly, the bald face broke the jaw every single time. But the full beard only 45% of the time. You see, a beard provides a cushioning effect, drastically reducing the impact of blows to the face.
And that's it. In just a few minutes, we have created a professional faceless video using Mootion's AI-powered tools. Next, we have audio to video feature. If you have ever wanted to turn your voice or existing audio into a fully fledged video, we are diving into the audio to video tool that makes the process super simple, allowing you to create professional videos in just a few clicks. First, click on the General Creation button and then choose the Use My Recording options. This will allow you to either record your voice or upload an existing audio file. Next, you need to choose the language of the speech. There are multiple languages to choose from, including English, Japanese, Korean, French, and others. After choosing your language, you have two options. You can record your own voice directly, or you can upload an existing audio file by dragging and dropping it into the system.
In the village of Luma, everyone had a magical lantern to keep their home safe, but Lila had the smallest, weakest one. "Your lantern is too weak," the villagers teased, but Lila...
Once your audio is uploaded, you will be able to adjust several settings. You can choose the aspect ratio for your video, choose a visual style for your video. You can select from different themes like photorealistic, picture book, 3D cartoon, anime, or clay art depending on the kind of look you want for your video. After selecting your settings, click Transcribe. The system will transcribe your audio into text.
In the village of Luma, everyone had a magical lantern to keep their home safe, but Lila had the smallest, weakest one.
You can then edit the script, correct errors, adjust the text, or add or delete dialogue. Once you are happy with your script, click Generate. This will create a storyboard with all the scenes that correspond to your audio.
In the village of Luma, everyone had a magical lantern to keep their home safe, but Lila had the smallest, weakest one. "Your lantern is too weak," the villagers teased, but Lila never complained.
You can make further adjustments here, like regenerating scenes, swapping them out, or adding images. After finalizing your storyboard, click Next to continue to the styling and effects stage. You can choose how you want the title of your video to appear. Add subtitles if needed. Choose a thumbnail for the video. Apply effects like mini zoom, shake motion, and more to make your video dynamic. You can add transitions between scenes such as fade, crossfade, or slide to make the video flow smoothly. If you want to add background music, the AI can suggest music that matches your video. You can select a track to enhance the overall atmosphere of your video. After adjusting all the settings, click the Composite button to finalize the video. The system will generate your high quality video in just a few seconds. Once the video is complete, you can review it. You will now have a fully customized video with audio, visuals, effects, and background music ready for viewing or sharing.
In the village of Luma, everyone had a magical lantern to keep their home safe, but Lila had the smallest, weakest one. "Your lantern is too weak," the villagers teased, but Lila never complained. One night, a shadow covered the village and lanterns went out. The villagers were frightened.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing content. So the link to this website is available in the description below, so must check it out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.